Hi there, my name is Skip Wilson and I'm going to get you started learning Swift as an absolute beginner. The first thing you're going to need is a computer on which you can write Swift. This computer needs to have some way of compiling or writing Swift. You can either have a Mac, and with a Mac you can download Xcode. From the Mac App Store you can go search for Xcode, and from there you should be able to download that without any problem. Once you open it up, you can click Get Started with a Playground, and it'll ask you to save your playground, and from there you should be good to go. If you have a PC, things are a little bit different. You won't be able to compile any games or apps, but you will be able to make some apps of your own and get some results with SwiftStub.com, which is a website that I made. You can go on to SwiftStub.com and you can just start typing Swift. You'll see the results on the other side. You should be able to follow along with this entire course with SwiftStub.com. You can also collaborate with friends and save your code and share it with other people on the internet or come back to it later. Obviously, you'll eventually want to get a Mac and start compiling Swift on the Mac, but now that Swift is open source, you can also write it on Linux too.